Iran claims it has revealed an air defense system with capabilities comparable to Russia's feared S-400. If true, this would mark a major shift in the balance of air power in the Middle East. But what exactly is this system? Is it a real S-400 transfer, a locally modified hybrid, or strategic signaling? And more importantly, does it actually threaten U.S. stealth aircraft and air superiority? Let's break it down. First, a critical clarification. There is no confirmed evidence that Russia has transferred an actual S-400 system to Iran. What Iran has revealed appears to be an indigenous or hybrid long-range SAM system, strongly inspired by S-300 and S-400 design philosophy, potentially integrating foreign radar concepts and local missile technology. So when analysts say Iran's S-400 variant, they are referring to an S-400 class capability, not a direct Russian export. That distinction matters. Why Iran wants an S-400 class system? Iran's biggest military vulnerability is the air domain. It faces U.S. stealth aircraft, F-35B2, Israeli deep strike capabilities, long-range standoff weapons. Iran cannot match these with fighter jets alone. So instead, it has doubled down on layered air defense. The goal is simple: deny airspace, raise the cost of penetration, and complicate strike planning. An S-400 class system fits perfectly into that strategy. What makes the S-400 so dangerous? To understand the threat, we need to understand why the S-400 is feared. Key S-400 concepts include multi-band radar coverage, VHF, L-band, X-band, ability to track stealth-shaped aircraft, long-range interceptors, up to 400 kilometers depending on missile, simultaneous engagement of multiple targets. Iran's claim is that its new system replicates some of these effects, not necessarily the full Russian package. What Iran claims its variant can do. According to Iranian military sources and defense exhibitions, the new system reportedly includes advanced AESA radars operating across multiple frequencies, improved target discrimination against low observable aircraft, integration with Bavar 373, Sayad 4B, and passive detection networks, better resistance to electronic warfare and jamming. Iran emphasizes networked defense, not a single missile battery. This means one radar sees the target, another tracks it, a third fires the interceptor. That's how you challenge stealth. Does this really threaten U.S. stealth aircraft? Here's the honest answer. It complicates operations, but it does not neutralize U.S. air power. Stealth aircraft are designed to reduce detection range, break tracking continuity, force defenders to use multiple sensors. Iran's system may detect stealth aircraft earlier than before, track them intermittently, force U.S. pilots to fly higher, farther, or slower. But detection kill. To shoot down a stealth jet, Iran must 1. Detect. 2. Track continuously. 3. Guide a missile through heavy jamming. 4. Survive counterstrikes. That's extremely hard against U.S. forces. The real danger isn't one perfect missile shot. It's attrition and denial. Iran's air defense strategy aims to delay air campaigns, force massive seed operations, consume U.S. precision weapons, increase political and operational cost. Even if no stealth aircraft is shot down, slower operations strategic success for Iran. That's the logic behind an S-400 style system. The US and Israel respond with electronic warfare, cyber disruption, standoff weapons, decoys, and saturation attacks. Modern air power doesn't fight SAMs head-on. It dismantles them systematically. Iran knows this, which is why it focuses on mobility, underground deployment, redundancy, psychological deterrence. So what's the bottom line? Iran has not confirmed possession of a real Russian S-400, but it is clearly building an S-400 class air defense concept. This does not defeat U.S. air power, but it raises the cost, risk, and complexity of any airstrike. In modern warfare, that alone can change strategic calculations. Do you think layered air defenses can truly challenge stealth aircraft, or will air superiority always belong to those who strike first?